Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your router. Experiencing sluggish internet, dropped connections, or Wi-Fi woes. A simple router reset can often be the magic bullet to get your home network running smoothly again. It's a common and effective troubleshooting step that can save you a lot of frustration. Let's dive into the different ways you can give your router a fresh start and improve your online experience. The easiest and most common method is a soft reset, also known as a power cycle. Simply unplug your router's power cord from the wall outlet. Give it about 30 seconds to completely power down and clear its temporary memory. Then, plug it back in and wait a minute or two for all the lights to become steady. This often resolves minor glitches without losing any settings. If a soft reset doesn't work, a hard reset or factory reset might be necessary. This will erase all your custom settings, like your Wi-Fi name and password. Find the small, recessed reset button on your router, often requiring a paperclip. Press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds until the lights flash. Your router will then restart with its original factory settings, requiring reconfiguration. Once your router has reset, especially after a hard reset, you'll need to re-enter your Wi-Fi network name and password. It's a great opportunity to create a strong, unique password for your network. Also, remember to change the default administrator password for your router's settings page to boost your network's security. Enjoy your refreshed and hopefully faster internet connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.